Hey y'all, it's Privateer coming to you. As you see, another order from Minotaur, sorry. It's the KRAKEN Menu 8. Pork sausage patty, maple flavored, chicken with noodles and vegetables, beef goulash. Now let me show you something. This is a 24-hour ration. 4.05 pounds. Or well, I guess that'd be 4 pounds, 5.5 ounces. Yeah, that's better. Sorry, I'm working on the caffeine. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna get everything opened up, show you what all it comes with, and show you a little something else too. Bob, I know, but I gotta pick on you a little bit, man. You know what's coming. Okay, y'all, here's our breakdown. We have the performance readiness bar. We have the all-day snack trail mix, the classic one. We have the indulgent one, cherry drink mix, French vanilla cappuccino, an Arnold Palmer drink mix, orange breakfast drink. We have a wild raspberry and hibiscus tea, English black breakfast tea. Where is it? It says that on the back. Yeah. But then we have for our desserts. I mean, technically these could kind of be a dessert, but they're really a snack. We have the Oreo cheesecake, cinnamon swirl cheesecake. And we have one of our sides is white rice. The other one is garlic mashed potatoes. We have our beef goulash, our chicken and noodles with vegetable sauce, and our pork sausage patty. We have up here, no, not that. We have our bottle of olive oil, our minced, where's that? There we go, minced onions. Our 3 MRE heaters, something I've never seen before with Sky Flakes, but then too I've only ever had these. But this is it's a cracker sandwich with what looks like chocolate in there. Pretty sure, yeah, chocolate. And then we have our other 2 Sky Flake crackers. We have smooth peanut butter, chunky peanut butter, apple jelly, strawberry jelly, or sorry, strawberry jam, the table syrup, and then 1, 2, 3 accessory packs, and a big MRE spoon. This comes to a total, hold on a second. Now mind you, this is not, this total calorie count in all of this is 4,765 calories. Even though this is labeled as a 24-hour ration, calorically, this could be 2 days worth of food, guys. I mean, it really could. And here's the part where I got to mess with Bob just a little bit, just cause, and it was a simple mistake. Hey man, you got, I don't know if you're ever gonna see this, but you got my card and I got your card, so have a good day. And Bob, yep, had to mess with you a little bit, man. It's Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.